Hi friends, this is Excel Guru Rajnikant and this query by one of our friend. He asked this query and as per his query, he said that whenever we enter any value, so it has to extract all the account numbers. Right, this is the query by and actually his name is Premkumar. So he has sent this query and asked the solution for this query. So here I'm going to share a screen. Here you have to follow three conditions. One condition is that you have to count how many are there, how many values are there. Okay, I remove this one first of all. I remove this one. How many values are there? First thing. And another thing is that, okay, what I'll do, I'll add this one. Um, First thing is that how many values are there, and next thing that you have to highlight those values, and third thing is that you have to extract those account numbers as per the value. So these are the three conditions you have to follow. First thing, as everyone know, it's very easy that you have to use countif for this. Countif, highlight the cell, comma, and select this one. And select this one. Okay. It's very easy. It will show you the how many values are there. It will count those values and it will give you the display that is 6. If I change anything to 100, it will show you that one. Now, the second thing is that you have to highlight these values by any of the colors. Okay. It's not mentioned that you have to highlight those values. Okay. So what I will do, I will do in different way. Okay. I will highlight these values, these account number as per these value. Okay, I'll highlight the account number, not the value. Right, this is the second thing. Now I'll show you how to highlight this one. What I'll do, I'll select the range. First thing, I'll select the range. Now I will use the shortcut key to open a dialog box of conditional format that is Alt HLN. Okay, and now I'll go to here. What I'll do here, I will ask is equal to any cell. Okay, I remove the locked, that is freeze, F4. If any cell equal to, sorry, this value. So I'm not freezing any, I'm not removing the dollar sign because it should be stable whenever it's checked by downward. Okay, this is the thing I'm using over here to to highlight only the account number, not the values. Okay, why I'm using this one, I'll show you. Format, bold, fill with any blue color and font will be the black. Okay, this is the conditions. Okay, that's enough for us. Okay, it will display like this. Okay, let's check it out whether it's working perfectly or not. You have to pick up. So this is the challenge. Okay, so actually everyone can make it that wherever it find the 100, you can highlight these cells. But I want to highlight only the account. This is a very excellent challenge by me only. I created by me myself just now. Okay. So let's have fun with this. Okay, I just copied the range, only values, not the account number. Okay, try to find out not the account number. I copied only the range. Okay, I pasted over the range, only cells. Okay, is equal to, I'm using OR function. If this, I'm freezing this one, F4 equal to, eh, here, I'm locking only the column, but not the row. Observe, guys. I'm locking the column, not row. Sorry. I'm locking the column, but not the row. The same formula again, I'm repeating with the equal of sign of another thing. This one, locking the column. Okay. F4, F4 equal to B4, H5, H5. Already there, just I don't want to go again and again. F4, comma, again H5, F4 equal to C4 is there. B4, C4, D4. Okay. Dollar D4. That's it. Okay. This is really a challenge, really a challenge. Okay. Only for highlighting, not the extracting. Don't think that extracting will also. Extracting is very easy, but highlighting the cell is really a challenge for me. Okay. F2 control enter. Just copy this formula from here or and go to I'm pressing what you'll say to display the conditional format dialog box. There is a shortcut Alt H L N. And okay, before that I have to highlight the cells of account number. Okay, on the account number, this one Alt H L N. This one paste it and highlight with the blue. This is the blue and font will be the black. This will very good. Okay, bold. Okay, okay, done. Okay, whenever change the value from here, like 100, it will display like this. Whenever change the value for 500, so it has to display like this. Okay, whenever why I'm using this one, see, I apply filter and I want to highlight only the color cell, then automatically you can display the values. Easily you can see for that reason. Okay, guys. Control Z. Now coming back to the formula. This is the main part and very easy part also. Okay, I'm removing filter from here. Here is equal to two things I will explain you because I'm using 2010 array function. Small if in this range F4 equal to the this one is also F4 comma value is true. Already explained you. If anybody wants, I will keep this one in description also. I'll keep this one. Okay, no need to worry. I'll keep this row function. Why I'm using? What are the things I'm using? Already I recorded that one. Okay, in video description I'm mentioning this video link, row, all those things. Okay, row of row of this one F4. Not edited. A1 not edited. Not this one, sorry, I mentioned wrong here. This one you have to pick it out. F4 plus 1, close parenthesis, and K part will be rows of J$5, J$5, colon J5. And there is an array function, you have to use Control Shift and Enter for this. Control D and F2, index of account numbers, F4, comma, and this is account number. Okay, done. Enter. Control D. If you want to remove the errors, whenever you are using array functions, don't use if error functions. If you are using array function, it will take long time to extract all the records. For that reason, you are not supposed to use if error in array functions. You have to use one amazing thing is there. Just I copy this K part from here because sometimes it will stuck the sheet also. Okay, for that reason. If a rows of, sorry, if control V, just now I copied, is greater than count of this, F4. If it is greater than this, then show me the blank. Else run this formula as it is. This is the very, very dynamic and very fast. If you use the if error function, why it will stuck the sheet, I will stuck the file or a sheet. I will explain you because if you use infrared, the formula in each and every cell, the formula will run and it will check the errors. It will run and it will check the errors. So it will take lots of time. It will consume lot of time. For that reason, what you have to, if you use this one, what you will do, first of all, it will run the all formula. It will run formula, later it will jump to the rows. Okay. This is the logic. Okay. See, whenever I change the value from 400, you can see the magic of here and here and here. Okay, guys, if I use 600, see, it will highlight this thing. Right, guys. Thank you, guys. Thanks for your support. If you have any more doubts, you can join me in my Telegram group and you can share your doubts and solutions. And more interview questions are ahead. So please like, share, and subscribe. Click on bell icon